How much money can you make as a digital artist in 2021 and beyond? Let's talk about it. All right, let's start with the elephant in the room. I am wearing glasses, not that I need them, I just love the aesthetics about them. That does not make me fake, that makes me creatively stupid, but that's beside the point. We are talking about making money and making a living as a digital artist. Now, here are my 2 cents. First and foremost, I wholeheartedly believe that it is possible to make over $1 million a year as a digital artist. Now, you're probably thinking, one, I have no idea who I'm watching. He has no proof. Obviously, I don't have proof. I have never made $1 million a year yet, but I'm in the process. You just hear me out, man. Quick disclaimer, obviously, it's 2021. People are stupid. I am not a financial advisor. I feel even more stupider saying this. No, people are not stupid. You can't say that. That is why I am not a financial advisor. No, I'm not. I'm not even qualified. I'm not even close. Money just runs away from me. I don't even know why you would think you need money advice from me. In any case, let's talk about making $1 million a year as a digital artist. Savvy? Good. There are 2 routes to this, I believe. The freelance way and the building your own brand way. Huh? See where I'm going with this? Why am I making a circular motion? I have no idea. The freelance way is, in my opinion, my humble opinion, a bit more difficult. Not impossible, it's just a bit more difficult to create that type of revenue in a year. All right, how do you go about this? Well, you have to work on your portfolio. See, digital art has a lot of varieties within the subject itself. You can be a 3D modeler, you can be an environmentalist, you can Jesus Christ. You can be an environment artist. There are a lot of things that you can be. You can be all of them, or you can just pick one specific niche. Now, people will tell you, you need to niche down. Niche down. That's how you make your money. I'm not really a fan of the, you gotta niche it down. Yes, I do believe that it's important to have a specific skill set, which you are boss at. But I think we are underestimating ourselves a little bit too much. You can niche down, but don't shy away from things that get you out of your comfort zone. This is not a 2 cents advice on your life. Stop doing that, Ray. All right, let's get back to the money-making part. The freelance way. In this case, you do need a specific niche just to get your work out there. You are a concept artist, which means you do the draw. That's the word. Go with me on this. You draw a lot. You can sketch. You got the sketching in your hands. You do the thing. You're a master at that. So you sketch every day, and you try to build your portfolio by taking on freelance projects. Now, this is going to take years because no one knows you, maybe, right? No one knows you. So what do? You work as a concept artist. You're trying to get to the top. You're trying to reach the top. I have no experience on how to reach the top. I only know that people are interested in quality when it comes to making that amount of money. You need to have the highest quality level of quality in your work. This must be every piece of content you make. And I know this is probably a lot of stress on you right now, so bear with me, breathe. You can do this. You are going to put out the best type of quality content in your field. And the way I would go about it is posting the process on how you got there. So this means years of research. You need to be experienced. You need to take on free projects. How are you going to eat? I don't know. Stop panicking. I'm giving you a route. You're going to figure this out. I don't have all the answers. I'm sorry. I'm just being I'm being an a-hole right now. Point is, the freelance way is a longer way to achieving that financial goal. It's not impossible. Do I prefer it in this day and age? Also, you need to work on your network. Your network is extremely important because people are going to refer to you. Oh, he or she is the concept artist. I'm going to get canceled before 2022. I said he or she. How? This person is good. I'm sorry, I'm getting nervous. I don't want to get canceled before I even start something. this person is good at making concept art for movie sets, movie matte painting. Let's take matte painting. This is one of my favorite type of digital art. You are an amazing matte painter. Every day a matte painting, or 1 week a matte painting, which is of the highest quality. It tells a story. All that jazz, composition, colors. This is something that has to be represented in your work constantly. People are gonna ask you, why did you put that there? Why does this doesn't make sense? Can you explain it? And more times than not, your work has to speak for itself. A lot of pressure, I get it, but that's the freelance route. I believe I've done it. I have not reached that $1 million goal, obviously, but it is possible, because what happens is people start to talk. You'll get noticed by big companies. They will probably hire you. Big companies, what the hell was that? Big, huge corporations are not shy of spending bank on quality. So work on your portfolio, work on your network, and share the process. So then the other part, as you can see, the sun is coming up. There is no continuation in this video at all. So I'm just stating that. The next route is creating a personal brand, which is kind of what I'm trying to do on the YouTube specifically. Creating a personal brand, in my opinion, can get you to that $1 million a year salary. I won't say that it's easy. I'm saying that it's more achievable, or rapidly achievable, or you can achieve this more quickly. Excuse me for my English, it's that. Everybody has heard of the 1,000 true fans. These are your die-hard fans. They will buy literally anything you sell them. Your aim is to have then 10,000 die-hard fans that are willing to support you along the way. That should be your goal. Not 1,000, which is, by the way, nothing wrong with that. You can live luxuriously, depending on your location, on $100,000 a year. But we're talking about $1 million a year. So obviously you need to put a zero somewhere, and the zero is not going to be charging $1,000 for a product. No, you're going to increase the level of fan base you have. And the only way you can achieve 10,000 true fans, I believe, again, my humble opinion, have good quality work. I mean, you actually need to put in the work. And also, you need to be charming. You need to have the sass. That's what I'm talking about. You need to have the sauce, the sass, the everything. Your personality needs to come through out the video and touching people. No, not because people come back for the person. If I were to go viral on a tool that I created that helped, 1 million people, for example, that tool will get all the attention, but not the person. If you can show up every day talking to your audience and building that rapport with your audience year in and year out, putting out quality work, actually helping people, I do believe it's possible to hit 10,000 true fans within 10 years. I'm saying 10 years because that's what I'm giving myself. I'm giving myself 10 years of this, putting out content, helping people, but also giving them a good time so that they can return to my YouTube channel. So when you have 10,000 true fans, you basically can charge them $100 a year in products, and then you have the equivalent of $1 million a year. Of course, Uncle Sam is gonna take half of that, so we're talking about before taxes. So what type of products can you sell as a digital artist? Now, there are a lot of things you can do. All right, the most popular ones are creating an online course. I would go a step further as to create an online course specifically for something that you know that people are struggling with, which means you have to be very active in the community and listen to your audience. What are they struggling with? What are their pain points, and how can you help them out of it as an expert? Very important. Next thing you can do, selling digital assets. Now, my digital assets, they could vary a lot. You can sell textures, you can sell stock photography, You can sell your stock photos, drone footages, all that jazz. You can make a beautiful package, say, this is what I'm using, and if you'd like to support the channel, or you'd like to support me, this is something that you might consider purchasing from me, the starving artist. You're not a starving artist. I need to stop saying that. And you have brand sponsorship. This is also something that I've never touched based on, because I've never had a brand sponsorship, because this channel is extremely young. So brand sponsorships are a bit tricky, because you don't want to just bring in any company and making a promo video for them or selling them to your audience. No, it needs to make sense, right? It's the right type of brand. Needs to make sense. For example, if you look at Benny Productions, he is being sponsored from time to time by Envato Elements, as are a lot of digital artists. Why? Because Envato Elements has a library of digital assets that people can use. Helpful, right? I mean, sure, everybody wins. It makes sense. You can also do affiliate marketing. So if people are wondering, why is your video so damn crisp? It's because I'm using a 1.4 f-stop Sigma on a Sony a6300. That's about all the money I had, so, you know. Cha-ching. No, but these are products that if you've obviously heard of affiliate marketing, and this might feel like a broken record, but you can say what products you're using, and if you would like to use those products, the links, my affiliate links, are down below. Not for me though. I don't have any links down because I live in a country where affiliate marketing and online marketing is still a bit of a hassle. But the most important thing I want you to take away from this video, this message, is that you do not need to be afraid to sell something to your audience. If you've ever watched videos on how to grow on YouTube, you've probably come across Sean Cannell's channel, Think Media, and I've been following these guys for a long time, and I mean, it took a while for me to take action. I did eventually, but they are so good at explaining why you should monetize, and also explaining the variety of how you can monetize a fairly young channel. And you shouldn't be afraid, because you need money for your mission. That's not my quote. I just, you know, echoed it. But you do need money for your mission. You do need, maybe you don't need $1 million. I do, but probably you don't. But I do. I don't think that's wrong to want it. But even going a step further, as in, I don't want $1 million. I want to earn $1 million, because that's more enjoyable. All right, so don't be afraid to go after what you think you can earn, which is a huge difference as compared to going after something you want. Earning something means you have reciprocated that value throughout your fan base. Don't be afraid to do it. I am not afraid to do that. I am going to, but the thing is, any product you put online has to be something that they want. It has to make sense. The moment people feel like you're selling them out, it's done. I mean, I wouldn't say you're done, but it will take a while for them to trust you, right? So make it make sense. Make it make sense. That's a two pun. Like, make it make sense and make it make sense. You know what I mean? You know. Yeah. I'll see myself out. Thank you for watching. I think that was good. Oh my. Oof.